Now this canoe is beautiful. It is well crafted, well designed, well kept. And I'd show you the full setting, but I'd have to take it down, and I don't want to take it down and put it back up. So here we go. Okay, starting from one end. This is as long as it is. Beautiful design, like I said. Well crafted, well set, well taken care of. It's just, he can't use it anymore. Or hasn't used it ever, actually. But we're headed to Idaho and he needs to sell it. The oars are well designed. You can see. Anyway. It's a very beautiful canoe, and I wish that he could keep it so he could take it out at least once, but my daughter's sick and I need to get to her. Hopefully this video shows you that that's the canoe that we'll be taking over to you if you decide to buy it. Thank you.